Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2013 GMC Sierra SLE Extended Cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number X500XA. 91,000 miles on this local trade. Clean auto check history report. We sold this Sierra brand new. Mocha Steel Metallic in color. The Sierra seat 6 with a cloth interior. Split seats flip up for additional cargo space. And rear defrost for excellent visibility. Foot box with soft tonneau cover. Z71 off-road suspension package includes skid plates for protection, locking tailgate, and heavy-duty trailering package. Spray and bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. Extended cab doors on both sides of the truck, of course. This SLE has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat. Gauges, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode. Shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting. Easy to operate radio and CD player with auxiliary input, allowing you to connect mobile media devices. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Cup holders and storage in the armrest. Otherwise up and out of the way for middle passenger with even more storage below. And dual glove boxes with the owner's manual inside. Under the hood, this here has a 5.3 liter V8, 315 horsepower. Just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles per gallon in the city, average of 21 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Sierra, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.